Hello, this is Rich Canlione coming to you from the CME Group trading floor. Today's segment is going to be called Good News, Bad News. Obviously, the Eurozone is still forefront. The issue with the Italian bonds, sometimes good, sometimes bad. Obviously, the 10-year that they had most recently, better than expected, but not as good as they all wanted it to be. News in the United States as well. You had some bad news, slightly bad news, if you will, with respect to the jobless claims, but the other numbers this morning were relatively good with respect to housing starts, actually way better than the survey. So on the table, what you have is you still have the leg of the rally going. We've drifted in the last couple of days. After 5 sessions in a row of higher closes, we've drifted, actually yesterday, we drifted back under unchanged on the year, that being 1257 and change in the cash, and I believe in the futures, somewhere in the vicinity of 1253. Interesting note that I kind of want to highlight to you guys out there, institutional traders, hedge funds, and individual traders and the like. We've been picking up open interest slowly as we've been rallying in the last 5 consecutive days. That suggests positive open interest to me. That suggests that investors are actually starting to chase a little bit of performance and getting pushed into the market just because the focus has been the little markup that we're having going into the end of the year and perhaps settling the end of the year on a better note than we all thought and having a positive close perhaps by 1 or 2%. At any rate, looking at some of the moving averages, don't forget the year started out at 1257.66, I believe, to be exact. At any rate, the 8-day moving average 1240, the 50-day in that area, the 50-day moving average 1233, the 100-day moving average 1201, and the 200-day moving average, which we seem to be kind of the backdrop as a resistance point, 1255, and I believe in the cash it's 1258. So the trade, I think, going into the year-end close is probably play it to buy dips, play it from the long side, and look for a negligible gain of perhaps 1 or 2% going into the close of the year. Rich Canlione signing off from the CME Group trading floor.